Hello guys, so this is my Monetag account right now here, and this is Monetag as you can see here. So I have been teaching a way you can earn a lot of traffic into your Monetag account, and today I'm taking you through a new trick on how you can make money with Monetag account. So just subscribe to the channel and let's dive into this particular video. There is a new tips. Let me show you this. Okay guys, so the first thing you have to do here is to have an account on Monetag account. So if you don't have Monetag account, please go up to my videos on YouTube here and just check it out on how you can create an account. I have a playlist on both Arbitrage and Monetag. So if you have any troubles or if you don't know how to make revenue from both of them, please you can go up there and check out much of my videos on how you can sign up and how you can earn a lot of revenue on Arbitrage and Monetag. So this video is focusing on Monetag. So there is a new trick that I'm going to introduce to you, but first of all, please and please again, your spirit is going to keep moving. Please subscribe to this particular channel, and if you have already subscribed, thank you very much for subscribing, and I hope you share this video with others in order for them to subscribe and also earn a lot of revenue from this particular content as I'm making with you. So very important, just like this video, leave a nice comment, and please again subscribe to this particular channel as we are moving with this channel. And also you can join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both the link can be found under the description. You can check it out there, click on it, join me out there. I give out much updates and information out there, so you can join me out there as we are all making money together. I'm a very free person, so you can feel free to contact me in my DM, and I'm going to answer every question you are going to have out there. So the first thing first is what I say, create an account. I have a video on that. You can go up and check it out there, how you can create an account. So the second thing you have to do here is to have your direct link. So of course, if you have any pending or any related links below, you can use the links. But yes, still you want to use different link or you want to use a new link, go ahead and just click on add a new link. Once you click on add new link, you can see direct link successfully created, and this is my new direct link as you can see here. So all you have to do here is to just copy this link, but then you come and copy it with a main focus. But right now, let the link rest, my brother. All right, so let's dive into going to Facebook page. So this is our Facebook page right now here. So if you don't have Facebook page, please do so. You know, Facebook have millions of people, let me say billions of people, because a lot of people are here on Facebook. So here is where we are going to take our advantage from on Facebook here. But please note, I'm no way a financial advisor. I only teach you styles which works perfectly for me on my YouTube channel. So this is how we are going to make this new trick for today on Monetag. So first thing first, go up to this section which says videos. On your mobile device, you have to go to your reels, or you can go to go to your videos. Okay, good. So the first thing you have to do here is to look out for a video which is initially trending. Okay, a video which is initially trending. So let's scroll up and down and check it out. So this video have 1 million viewers, 506 comments with 69k reactions. Let's scroll down and check it out. This video have 18 million plays with 2.k comments with 143k. I think this video is with higher reaction. That's a video which is trending. This video is with 331k viewers with 52 comments and 6.1k. I think that one is also trending. So the first thing you have to do here is to let's look out for the trending one. So I think this one is trending. This one is with 80 million with 2.3k comments and that. Okay, so the first thing you have to do here is to just click on share button here, and all you have to do here is to just click on copy link. Once you click on copy link, please go up to a new tab and then search in for Facebook or FB Reels download. Okay, FB Reels download. So once you click on that, please use the first link. There are a lot of links here, but make sure to use the first link and then paste in the link that you copied from Facebook. All you have to do here is to just click on download. Once you click on download, it's going to tell you the quality of the video that you want. So this is 8 minutes video. Okay, good. So you have to do here to just click on download. So once you click on download, you can see the video is currently downloading out here. Good. So all you have to do is to wait for the video to finish downloading, then we can proceed with whatever we are doing. But before that, please, if you found this particular video very helpful, kindly subscribe, please, and please again subscribe to this video, like this particular video, leave a nice comment and share it with others as we are all keeping moving forward. So the next thing you have to do here is to go back to your Facebook account, all right? And then on your mobile device, you can go to your profile on your laptop to go to your profile and go and click on create. Once you click on create, here you can see post, stories, reels, live event, and lots. But today we are interested in reels. Okay, so we know that reels has a trending. So once someone publishes a reel, it goes viral because reels, people take few minutes to watch it, and then it also helps a lot. So reels are very simple and also they trend a lot. So you have to, today we are focusing on reels. So once you click on reels, it will tell you to create a reel or upload a reel out here. Okay, so the next thing you have to do here is to just click on add video. So we are going up to add the video that we downloaded from Facebook, which has been added to our account. So you can see this is the video here, just 1 minute. So once we click on add a video, it's gonna pop up this section which says that we just select the video. So this is the video that I just downloaded from the Facebook account right now here. Okay, so this is the video as you can see here. So the next thing you have to do here is to just click on next. Now since reels are very short videos, then you have to trim this particular, you have to shorten this particular video. So in order for us to shorten this particular video, all you have to do is to just click on trim. Of course, you can just go up and download reels if you're using your phone, and yes, that one is very short. You can go up and follow the procedure as well. So have to shorten this particular video or shorten this reel. Then I'll click on okay. So let's try to adjust the video as we want it for the best caption with this particular video. Okay, all right, so I think we are good to go. So the next thing you have to do is to just click on next. Now you have the full video here, but then you have shortened the video. The next thing you have to do here is to describe URLs. But please note that here, if you know how to insert tags in your videos, you can go up and insert tags. You know, tags mostly help for you to, for videos to go viral. Okay, so if you know how to insert tags like FYP, something like that, you see FYP challenge. If you know how to insert something like viral, let's say viral or viral challenge. So you see, these are some of the reels that are going to help so that your video can go viral. But before that, all you have to do, first thing you have to enter before this reel is something very catchy like tap here to watch the full video. So let's say tap here, let's say tap here to watch full story. Okay, full story, because I think these tags are going to help your videos go viral, because if you don't add the tags, your videos are going to be stanked and then they are not going to move forward. So tap here to watch full video. So the next thing you have to go is to go to your Monetag account, copy the link or the first generated link that you choose, and go back to the sector which says you are making, and then copy the link here. Okay, copy the link. So you can go ahead and put out some emoji. You can go ahead and put out some emoji which will show that people should tap on the link so that they can watch the full video, because you have the full video and you have shortened the video, of course. All right, so this is the best trick you can use. So the next thing you have to do here is to just click on publish and make sure that all your settings here are in order so that it will go public. So this one is in public, so fine. So all you have to do here is to just click on publish. Once you click on publish, it's going to take time to post your video for you. So you can see your reel is being processed. We will let you know when it is ready in your account. Okay, they will let you know when it is ready in your account. So in order for you to know that your video is on processing, let's check it out here. Okay, let's check it out here. Okay, let me leave this aspect and come to, in order for us to know that this video is on process. So I've been able to generate most of my reels out here for me to get engaging. So let's go back to our home page here, and then alright, so this is our home page here. So let's try to check out our reel that we just made. So let's refresh the page and check it out that your reel is really coming to perform, or is going to pop up on your screen or on the first video. So this is the video that, or this is the reel that we just created. Okay, so this is the reel. So we have some tags under it, because that tags are also going to help us. So this is what we just did. All right, this is what we just did. So you can go up and like this video for yourself and leave some comments below for people to know that this is what you're doing. So this is very simple, guys. So just like this video, leave a nice comment as I've just done here. So this is my account that I have just published the video. So once someone clicks on this particular link, once anyone clicks on the link to watch the full tutorial or to watch the full video, they are going to end up on different site that, or different page that you insert a link into. Okay, the Monetag, the link that you input, this is where they are going to end up. Okay, so Charlie, you are making money out from this, but please know that it is a consistency work. Okay, it is a consistency work. Making this particular video here does not necessarily means I am going to earn something from only this post, but then I have been repeatedly doing this each and every day. I post about 5 videos with this. Okay, with your phone I think you can go faster with the laptop. So each and every day I post about 5 videos with this. So in order for you to get a lot of revenue, please set up a time for yourself, post a lot within the day, and trust me, within some few weeks ahead you are going to earn a lot of revenue with this trick. Okay, with this direct trick I have been showing you here, with some few months you're going to earn a lot out from it. So all I have to say here is to thank you for subscribing to this particular channel, watching this video, liking this video, and also leaving a nice comment. Join my Telegram as I said, and I have to thank you once again. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much.